Hi, my name is Glyn Hughes from EMF Protection. For those of you who don't know me, I've been helping people mitigate EMFs from high frequency wireless technology for almost 18 years. And I want to talk to you today about 5G and in particular the millimeter wave and also the FM5, the new and only reasonably priced handheld millimeter wave 5G monitor that is around, and it is around now. It's literally less than a month away from delivery for those that have already bought, which is pretty much most of the first consignment. So I'm not here looking to sell them. We can't make them fast enough at the moment, so that wouldn't be productive for any of us. But I wanted to talk to you about what you should be concerned about with millimeter wave or 5G in general, and what 5G is and what it isn't, and what you also shouldn't be concerned about. So I don't know how many videos it's going to take, but I'm going to do it in short videos, several of them, probably 4 or 5 minutes long. So 5G, should we be worried about it? What is it? How does it work? Why is it different? Why is everybody getting excited? Well, the first thing to say is, a lot of us in the UK and in the USA have already got 5G phones, or got phones that claim to be 5G, and really that isn't entirely true for most of them most of the time. So the 5G that is about in most places it's almost non-existent in Europe, in the UK and in the USA, which is where I want to focus. Then we have the majority of 5G signals that we're picking up on our phone is actually really not that different to 4G. It's what I like to call 4.5G. It's all sub 6 gigahertz, and so really, that's limits its speed, and it is slightly faster than 4G, but not that much, and it's all a bit of hype to sell you more phones, to be honest. And the cell tower mass technology that is being used is pretty much the same. But what is being rolled out and is millimeter wave, and in these two countries at the moment it's predominantly 28 gigahertz, which is way beyond anything that the standard high frequency monitors such as the Acoustimeter or the Safe and Sound Pro 2 or the gigahertz range, etc. So none of that can measure the millimeter wave 5G. And we'll cover why you need to do that in one of the further editions of these videos. But I just wanted to get that across, that the majority of what you're seeing at the moment that marauds as 5G isn't really, but it's coming, and it's coming quite quickly. So that's what we're going to talk about in the next video. So that's the end of video one, just an introduction to this short series to help us all understand 5G a little bit better.